The Ministry of Education organized drawing and painting competitions in 500 different Kendra Vidyalayas across India on Pariksha Divas. Today, nearly 50,000 students participated in the competition under Pariksha Pe Charcha 2023. The drawing competition theme of the Pariksha Pe Charcha 2023 is Becoming an Exam Warrior, based on the book written by the Prime Minister. The Kendra Vidyalaya of Happy Valley, Shillong was the host school of Shillong. The principal of the host school, K. Ramesh, informed that they have invited 18 schools, including Army Public School, Assam Rifles Public School and other state government schools. Around 40 students attended the competition, he said. Mary T. Kharkungor, a student from JNV Mauplang, expressed her happiness to be part of the competition, saying that this would motivate them to do well in their examinations and to be successful.
So the program is conducted in a selected 500 KVs and ours is one among them. See, we had invited nearly 18 schools.
I'm very glad and honored to be able to participate in this painting competition whose theme is Pariksha Mantras by our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. And I'm very glad that he started this because he motivates us in writing our exams and we all becomes like stress-free and we're all motivated to start our way forward in writing our exams.